Are you looking for next big opportunity in logistics sector? Delhivery, India's largest fully integrated logistic company, is making wave in the industry. In this video, we will deep dive into Delhivery's business model, financials, recent performances, and its future growth potential. Is it a smart investment for you? Let's find out. Good evening and welcome to Smart Investment Long Videos, your go-to channel for stock analysis and financial trends. Like, subscribe, and turn on notification to stay updated on best investment opportunity. Delhivery isn't just another logistic company. It is a market leader that provides a full range of logistics solutions from express delivery to warehousing and freight services. It operates in over 220 countries and covers 18,780 plus pin codes in India. The company boasts an extensive infrastructure of 45 automated sortation centers, 112 gateways, and 20.63 million square feet of logistics space across the country. Its digital-first approach is backed by 80 plus tech-driven applications, making logistics smoother and more efficient. With a strong hold in e-commerce, retail, automotive, and manufacturing industries, Delhivery caters to major brands like Mamaearth, Decathlon, Xiaomi, Royal Enfield, Swiggy, Nykaa, and Paytm. Moving forward, now let's talk about some numbers. In Q3 financial year 25, company reported revenue of rupees 2378 crore, which is 8.6% quarter over quarter, 8.4% year over year growth. Freight tonnage 412k tons, 17% year over year growth. Express parcel shipments 206 million, which is 11.2% quarter over quarter growth. EBITDA of rupees 102 crore compared to 57 crore last year. EBITDA margins improved to 5% from 2.6% year over year. Stock fundamentals are as below. Current market price rupees 315, 52 week high rupees 485, 52 week low rupees 306. Market capital 23,430 crore. Debt to equity 0.15. PE ratio 537. EPS 0.28. While the company is showing growth, a high PE ratio suggests that the stock is priced for future earnings potential rather than current profitability. Now we will analyze what's fueling Delhivery's growth. The first is strategic partnership. Company has tied up with Truecaller to enhance communication for delivery. Company has collaborated with Team Global Logistics to expand cross-border services to 120 plus countries. And company has taken a new agreement with Sugar Cosmetics for end-to-end logistics solutions. The second point is tech-driven innovation. AI-based RTO predictor reduces return shipments, boosting profit margins for D2C brands. The third point is infrastructure expansion. The company has launched 1.2 million square feet of mega gateway at Bhiwandi, Maharashtra, which is India's one of the biggest logistic hubs. The company is increasing its fleet with 150 plus 46-foot tractor trailers for long distance bulk transport. The fourth point is booming e-commerce and MSME growth. India's logistic industry is growing at 11% CAGR and is expected to reach $484 billion by 2029. Rise in e-commerce export will directly benefit logistic giants like Delhivery. Now the big question is Delhivery a smart investment? Let's find out. Company's strengths are market leader in logistics with a strong infrastructure network, tech-driven business model and AI-driven optimization. Growing e-commerce and MSME sector will drive future demand. The risks are still in early profitability stage. Logistic industry is competitive and margins can be tight. Given above analysis, would you invest in Delhivery? Give your thought in the comment section below. If you find this analysis helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.